Welcome to Theme and Code. In this video we are going to show how to design a professional Flipbook website on WordPress. One such dynamic feature is a Flipbook website that combines the charm of traditional flipbooks with the convenience of digital technology. With the power of flipbooks and the versatility of WordPress, you can design a professional Flipbook website on WordPress. Whether you're an experienced web designer or a novice, this guide will walk you through each step of the process. So, let's start. Understanding Flipbook websites. It's important to understand exactly what Flipbook websites mean. A flipbook is a digital representation of a physical book that simulates page turning. Users can virtually turn pages as if they were reading a physical book. Flipbooks are commonly used for displaying magazines, brochures, catalogs, portfolios, ebooks, and other types of visually rich content in a visually appealing format. Choosing the best Flipbook plugin. Choosing the right Flipbook plugin is one of the most important decisions for a successful Flipbook website on WordPress. Always do your research and read reviews from other users before choosing a plugin. We are working on several Flipbook plugins, but the best one is TNcFlipbook PDF Viewer for WordPress. This is the best Flipbook plugin ever. TNcFlipbook PDF Viewer for WordPress makes it easy to convert static PDFs into flipbooks and many more customization options. Integrating flipbooks with WordPress themes. When designing a Flipbook website in WordPress, one of the most important considerations is how to integrate the flipbook into your WordPress theme of choice. First, you need to choose a WordPress theme that supports flipbooks or can be easily customized to use flipbooks. When integrating Flipbook into your WordPress theme, it's important to consider the overall design and layout of your website. Designing the Flipbook layout. Once you have chosen a suitable Flipbook plugin, it's time to dive into designing the layout of your Flipbook website. Consider the following key aspects: structure and integration, navigation controls, customization and branding, visual enhancements, responsive design. Launching and maintaining your Flipbook website. Designing a professional Flipbook website in WordPress requires careful planning, creative design, and thorough testing. Here's a comprehensive overview of what you need to consider. Thorough testing, user feedback and analytics, regular content updates, performance optimization, security and updates, user support and maintenance. Promoting and sharing your Flipbook website. Here are some tips and tricks you can effectively promote and share your Flipbook website. Social media platforms, email marketing, collaborating with influencers, proper SEO. So that's all for today. Read our blog for more details. Link in the description. Hope everyone likes it. Subscribe to our official YouTube channel and thanks for watching.